Hello guys, we use my phone Samsung Galaxy J6. Start unpacking. Open box, device in the black color. Okay, in completation we have guarantee papers and quick guide. Adapter for micro USB cable, adapter for charging and headphones. Okay, good completion with headphones. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side we have camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 5.6-inch display, front camera, front LED talk speaker and sensors. On the left side key for volume key, 2 slots for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and speaker, upside without controls, downside micro USB port and headphone jack. Okay, turn on device, open settings, look Android version. Okay, Android 8.0.0, Samsung Experience 9.0 and version Knox 3.1. Okay, close programs and open synthetical test. Geekbench 4, talk about system information. CPU Samsung Exynos 7870. This is octa-core processor, CPU speed 1.6 GHz, RAM memory 2 GB, Intel memory 32 GB, GPU Mali T830, resolution and display PPA. Matrix type Super AMOLED, display Super AMOLED. History single core score and multi-core score. This is CPU test results and GPU test results. Okay, close Geekbench 4, open next test Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score. Screen test, 5 touches support display, okay. And next test, game test, open demanded game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas load on default graphic, because on the max graphic level game works not good and with lags and glitches, but on the default level game works normal. Let's see this. This is default level, medium level, and game works good without lags, comfort gameplay. Okay, game on default level, medium level, all games works good. Open camera, main camera 15 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, and now I show you photos on main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.